Now, we will be moving to the 4th Engineering Excellence Award ceremony. Also, to brief you about the Engineering Excellence Award, it was initiated in the year 2016 to recognize world-class achievements in engineering. This year, 2020, Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum is organizing Annual Engineering Excellence Award rivalry to recognize projects, firms, individuals demonstrating exceptional degree of engineering excellence in terms of innovation, complexity, achievement, and the value contributing to the development and growth of the country.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving ahead for our most awaited 4th Engineering Excellence Award ceremony. First, we will honor the winners under the individual category for their engineering excellence, followed by honoring the winners under various categories for their projects and services, recognizing world-class achievements in engineering. Young Engineer of the Year Award goes to Ms. Sara Yusuf Aboyer Jain for her invention, optical scanner for the fractured bones. Also, she was the winner at Seoul International Fair among 720 global inventions.
First of all, I'd like to thank Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum for recognizing me. It's an honor. I'm very happy to receive such a prestigious award, the Young Engineer of the Year Award, for my invention, the optical scanner for fractured bones. And I also appreciate all the efforts of TEF for connecting the high-profile events like technical conference, exhibition, monthly seminars, engineering excellence award. I wish TEF to expand this model globally with several chapters. I also would like to thank the President, Mr. Jia Kumar, and the General Secretary, Mr. Amuthan, and the Joint Secretary, Mr. Kishori Kumar, for their kind support for this. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it.
Engineer of the Year Award goes to Ms. Isra Ismail Al-Rashid, who has 16 years of experience in the field of environment. An enthusiastic engineer, organized several mega campaigns in KOC for spreading awareness related to environment and delivered more than 20 innovative technical presentations in the international conferences. She has delivered many environmental sessions to school children as a contribution to community. She has won the HSSC award from the CEO KOC for her remarkable contributions. Our next category, Promising Engineer of the Year Award. In order to encourage the children of TEF members and motivating them to contribute more for our nation and national development, TEF has organized an Engineering Excellence Award category exclusively for TEF children who have completed their engineering degree and doing meaningful contribution to our nation by working specifically within India. This year, TEF 2020 is pleased to recognize one such talent who is doing an amazing work in preserving our cultural heritage and historical monuments through her architectural engineering skills. And we are very proud to announce the winner of this year, and this prestigious award goes to Ms. Suveta. She is the daughter of our well-known TEF engineer, Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan, who was recipient of TEF's prestigious TEF Veteran Award winner in the year 2019 for his remarkable contributions to the growth of TEF since its inception. Congratulations to Ms. Suveta and her parents for this proud moment.
Hi everybody. First off, I would like to say thank you to the entire TEF team for this award. It's a very, very humbling gesture and I'm sincerely grateful for the recognition. TEF has been a part of my life and my family's life for so many years. It's been a platform where I'm sure a lot of you have watched me learn and grow over the years. And in some ways, all of those moments have shaped the person I am today. I currently work in the communications department of the Institute for Transportation and Development Policy. We're a non-profit organization that works with cities around the world to help implement and develop high-quality transportation systems. We work very closely with governments to develop policies that reduce pollution, poverty, and basically enhance urban living. We've been really excited because in the past 6 months we have launched 2 nationwide challenges under the Smart City mission that have been encouraging cities all around India to be more environmentally conscious and to rethink the way everybody commutes within an urban space. I would like to end by saying that this year has been a really difficult one for a lot of us, and it's really nice to see that TEF has moved to an online virtual platform where we're continuing to educate and keep the culture going. But I hope that this year has also been a time of reflection, and that we have learned that everything we do plays some influence in the grand scheme of things, and that we should learn to be more conscious of all the small decisions we take in our everyday life. So once again, thanks a lot TEF for this recognition.
Our next category, Engineering Veteran Award. TEF is very proud to announce the winner of this year's most prestigious TEF Veteran Award. And he is the person who has been a foundation pillar for the formation of Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum in Kuwait, and one of the most respected and recognized TEF engineers by all the engineers, business and social communities in Kuwait. He is none other than our TEF's founding member, Mr. Bala Ilamaran. Congratulations, Mr. Bala Ilamaran, on this great recognition for your exemplary contribution to TEF. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving in to the most prestigious, most awaited and honorable award, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Engineering Stewardship Award, Accomplished Leader. This prestigious award goes to Engineer Sara Hussain Akbar. Engineer Sara Akbar has over 35 years of experience in the oil and gas industry, and she is currently the chairperson and CEO of OilServe Kuwait, an indigenous oilfield servicing company operating in the MENA region. Furthermore, Sara serves as a non-executive director of Petrofac since 2018. In addition to her roles in the oil and gas industry, She is also a member of the Kuwait Supreme Council for Planning and Development and also an active member in the Board of Trustees of Kuwait Silk Territory Project. In both capacities, she works closely with the Kuwaiti Cabinet of Ministers to set the roadmap for Kuwait's strategy and the execution of its 2035 vision. Furthermore, Engineer Sara has been the chairperson of Advisory Board to the American University of Kuwait, College of Business and Economics, Kuwait since 2016. In the past, Engineer Sara served as Director on various Kuwaiti companies and industry societies, including the Society of Petroleum Engineers, Kuwait Society of Engineers, Kuwait Gulf Oil Company, and Kuwait Drilling Company. Engineer Sara held various senior positions at both government and private oil and gas entities. She started her career in 1981 working for Kuwait Oil Company and then at Kuwait Foreign Petroleum Exploration Company, where her roles included the head of planning unit and the manager of new business development. In 2005, Engineer Sara co-founded Kuwait Energy, the first MENA-based private independent oil and gas exploration and production company until December 2017. She served as the Chief Executive Officer and Deputy Chairman. Engineer Sara received many acclaims for her key role in Kuwait's Wild Well Killers firefighting team, which was responsible for extinguishing Kuwait's oil well fires post the Iraqi invasion in 1991. This heroic act earned Engineer Sara the designation of Firefighter and a Global 500 award presented by the United Nations Environmental Programme. She was also awarded the prestigious Leader in Energy Award at the Women in Leadership Awards and Forum in 2009, recognizing her as the first and only woman leader in the oil and gas industry in the Middle East. In 2013, she received the AIME Charles F. Rand Memorial Gold Medal. Engineer Sara was named among the top 100 most powerful Arab businesswomen of 2017 by the famous Forbes Middle East. In September 2018, she received the Hall of Fame award recognizing her as pioneer in oil and gas industry. Engineer Sara received her Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering from Kuwait University and has amassed throughout the years a wealth of knowledge and experience in leadership, strategic planning and development, portfolio management and strategic relationship worldwide.
Excited to see the voluntary work of the Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum here in Kuwait. They are doing a fantastic job and great contribution to the society by helping to boost bilateral relationships between Kuwait and India, very close two countries, and enhancing the cultural bonding between the two countries. I am very honored to receive this prestigious Engineering Stewardship Award from TEF, established in the name of India's great visionary leader, engineer scientist, and Honorable former President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which is given to accomplished engineers in Kuwait who have some contributions to the development of the engineering science of Kuwait. I thank the President of the Association, Dr. Jai Kumar, for nominating me for this prestigious award. And I thank the entire team who are running the organization in Kuwait. And I hope that they can help the voluntary work.
Let us move on to the awards for the projects and services in Kuwait. Who has excelled with their innovations and creativity category wise? For environment category, the gold award goes to Al for environmental projects for successfully commissioning of wastewater treatment plant to make the sewage water useful for irrigation purpose by meeting the EPA irrigation standard in Sheikh Jaber Bridge, South Island. For the industry category, the gold award goes to Wood PLC for the feed rice project, and their objective is to integrate a petrochemical facility into the refinery and LNG import at Al-Zour and to manufacture refined petroleum and petrochemical products. For the consultancy category, the gold award goes to CapServe for their successful completion of ignition hazard assessment study, which was conducted first time by Kuwait Oil Company through CapServe for their project installation of new desalter train at their various GCs. For the consultancy category, the silver award goes to National Petroleum Services Company for their research in critical cementing application on a snubbing unit to isolate oil wells in Kuwait. The use of snubbing unit has been proven effective to isolate the gas zone and ensure zero pressure on the surface to enable mobilization of workover rig. For operations category, the gold award goes to Salim Al Nasif General Building Contracting Company for their project installation of lightning protection systems in Southeast Kuwait facilities. For the operations category, the silver award goes to Acme International General Trading and Contracting Company for their project improvement of ESD system at 14 GCs in South and East Kuwait area for Kuwait Oil Company. For the sustainability category, the gold award goes to National Petroleum Services Company for successfully completing carbon credit mechanism study for Al Dibdiba solar power project. For the education category, the gold award goes to Al Nowhere for their biggest cleanup event in Kuwait's history held on 19th September 2020. It is the biggest public event after the pandemic COVID-19 lockdown and the biggest collaboration of volunteering groups united for one purpose. For the first time in Kuwait's history, the Ministry of Information partnered with an NGO and gave it an exclusive media coverage. For the medical category, the gold award goes to the New Kuwait German Laboratory for their contribution and fast responsive initiative in establishing the PCR test facility with all the needed instruments and analyzers in the quickest possible time and becoming the first private lab approved by Ministry of Health for testing COVID-19, which was a need of the hour and supporting and also helping the community. For the marine category, the gold award goes to Halliburton for their project Integrated Offshore Drilling Services Kuwait Offshore. The objective of the project is to locate proven reserves of recoverable gas and oil. For the marine category, the silver award goes to Arabian Gulf Pearl Company for their project Shuaiba Oil Pier Pile Rehabilitation and Replacement of Marine Fenders. This project got appreciation from KNPC for providing net protection facility on fast track basis to prevent jellyfish accumulation at MAA South Pier, due to which the LNG facilities operation could be restored within a short duration. For the technology category, the gold award goes to D Solutions for their technology Go Nursing, a custom CRM application. Geofencing technology was introduced to track the locations of their serving patients and their employees at work. For the construction category, the gold award goes to NBTC for their KIPIC project, structural mechanical piping works in the utilities area at Mina Al Zur. SMP Utilities project was aimed to provide steam, air, water and cooling water system to the entire Al Zur refinery, which is the backbone of any such facility. For the construction category, the silver award goes to Heavy Engineering Industries and Shipbuilding Company for their project procurement, construction, commissioning and maintenance for their upgradation of fuel supply system infrastructure within Doha West Power Station. The objective of this project is to meet the growing energy demands up to 2030. For the communication category, the gold award goes to Global Technology Company for the Sabah Al Ahmed Sea City project Phase 5. The project is taking place in several stages using the civil network and associated PON areas design information to design the fiber optic cable, distribution and feeder networks.